Heron's formula. Area of a triangle. So this is the basic formula to find out area of a triangle, which you have studied in class 7 as well as class 8. Let me consider a triangle. There is triangle ABC. Now, this side BC, what is this side called as? This side BC is called as the base. So BC is the base. And this side, that is a perpendicular drawn from vertex A onto BC. This is the perpendicular, that is 90 degree. There is an angle of 90 degree formed over here. It is drawn from the vertex A on BC, is called as the height. So you call this as the height. So what is the formula to find out area of a triangle? The area of a triangle is half into base into height. That is, in this triangle ABC, as I had mentioned, BC is the base and A is the height. So you have to just substitute base as BC and height as AE. So in the next step, what am I going to get? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into BC into AE. Let us consider the same triangle to get one example. Suppose in this triangle ABC, this is the base and base is equal to 20 units. Suppose this is the height and say that the height is 12 units. So how do we find out the area of this triangle? So area of the triangle will be half into base into height. That is half into base BC. How much? Yes, 20. Into, what is the height? Height is 12. So can we cancel something? Yes. 2 ones are 2 10s are 20. What we get in the next step? We get 10 multiplied by 12. So how much is 10 into 12? 120. So area of this triangle is 120 square units. So this is the way to find out area of triangle. Half into base into height. Let us move on further. Heron's formula. Now there is one more formula to find out area of triangle. One formula was half into base into height, where we already have a triangle and we just take the length of this base and the length of this height. What if we are not knowing the length of the base and height? Then how do we apply the formula to find out area of a triangle? Then we use Heron's formula. Let us see how. Heron's formula is used only when we know all the three sides of the triangle. That is only when we know the values of A, B and C. If we know all the three values of a triangle, that is A, B and C, then we can find out the area by using Heron's formula. First of all, let us see what this formula is. For that, let me consider a triangle. This is triangle ABC. We know that the side opposite to angle A is small a, side opposite to angle B is small b, and side opposite to angle C is small c. Now, if A, B and C are the sides of the triangle, then area of this triangle is given by root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula. I repeat, root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So this is the formula, where S is the semi-perimeter of the triangle and semi-perimeter is given by A plus B plus C upon 2, as we have seen in the previous slide as well. Let me give an example how to find out the area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So let us take some values, some random values. Say the value of this A is 3, the value of B is say 5, and value of C is 6, and we are supposed to find out area of this triangle ABC. So first of all, I need to find out this semi-perimeter. So what I'll get? I'll get S is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 6 upon 2. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. So I'll get 14 upon 2. Now how much is 14 upon 2? 14 upon 2 comes out to be 7. So I got this value of s. Value of s is 7. I need to substitute the value of s in the formula. So what is the formula? Formula is area is given by root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So which will be further equal to, what is s? S is 7. 7 into 7 minus 3, 7 minus 5. Note we are just substituting the values, and 7 minus 6. So the next step will get 7 into this 7 minus 3 will be 4 into 7 minus 5 will be 2 into 7 minus 6 will be 1. So what are we going to get in the next step? So in the next step we'll get, what is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 will come outside over here. And what remains inside the bracket? 7 multiplied by 2. So 7 multiplied by 2 is 14. Therefore we can say that we get the final answer, that is area of this triangle is 2 root 14 square units.